Whoops. So today I'm so excited to share Gabby's hair journey so far. When I had Gabby and I realized at some point her hair wasn't, forthcoming, I went, geez, is this what we're going to be like? I mean, you're a girl. But then I started devising some methods, started, watching videos here and there, started picking interest in products. And many a times I make homemade products myself. One of them is what I'll be sharing with you today. How we make our homemade hair mask and how often we use it, the benefits of it, the frequency with which you can use it. Please stay tuned. So this is Gabby's hair. Gabby's not 2 years old yet. I know some girls have, longer hair, or even boys have longer hair than this. But I'm super excited considering the journey, considering at some point I thought, geez, this is the end. But I've just made her hair there, and that's the length. I haven't extended it. That's a natural hair up until that length, and I'm super excited. Okay, let's get into it. I'll share every details. So this is what us just whisking all of our products together, but I'll give you a breakdown of these products. Now you can use either raw of these products. You don't have to be fixated at all. So here I've got olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. You can use any type from any store. That one's from Morrison's. The Heinz Seriously Good mayonnaise. You can use any brand of mayonnaise, the full fat or whatever. Then coconut oil. You can use any brand as well. That one's from Aldi. 1 egg, because I'm just doing Gabby's hair. I'm not doing my brother's hair today. A bowl, a tablespoon. And at some point I will show you vinegar. I should have shown you at this point, but I forgot. So just get the amount of coconut oil that you think you need. Now, with regards to measurements, I just tell you, your discretion is advised. So it depends on how oily or runny you want the consistency to be. You don't want it too runny. That way it's not all over your baby's face and doesn't put them off. And with regards to the olive oil, I just put 2 tablespoonfuls, and I suppose that would do fine. It's entirely up to you how much you want to put, like I said earlier. And next is our mayonnaise, and I'll just show you on the bottle of the mayonnaise that it's got egg yolk 5%, it's got olive oil itself if I'm right, and some other products. It's got vinegar as well, but you can still add these extras on top of the full mayonnaise itself. And that's just to show you that indeed mayonnaise itself can be used. So you can use egg and mayonnaise, you can use egg and coconut oil, you can use egg and mayonnaise and olive oil, you can use mayonnaise and vinegar only, you can use a combination of all. That's what I meant earlier when I said do not be fixated. So here I've got the apple cider vinegar, the Bragg product, the one with the mother. I've had this one for ages. It expires 2025, thank God for that. So I just had it 2 teaspoonful only, and I whisked all the products together, and that's what it looks like there. And just whisk to make sure that they get melted and mixed together, and that way one portion is not having too much of that product. And that's it. So ideally you should wash your hair first, and that way you get the dirt and oil build up off, and that way the mask can penetrate the well washed hair. But my daughter being what she's like, like I said, she's not even up to 2 yet, so she can be what a proper toddler can be like. So that said, she wouldn't let us do much with her hair, but I was really determined to get the hair mask in. So I thought, okay, no problem, we'll put the hair mask in with the way your hair is at the moment, unwashed. So had we washed it, of course, would have combed it out. If your baby lets you, you should wash it, you should comb it out before applying the hair mask, but we'll go ahead and apply it now anyway. So that's us just walking through the hair lines, because the hair is already parted. It makes it easier. If your little girl is like my own little girl, you chase her up for everything. She doesn't want you to touch her hair, and it's just a proper job every time. So that's us trying to persuade her. We've been able to walk through all of the hair. It's just now to massage it in, and to probably comb it, given we hadn't combed it earlier, and I bet it's got knots and stuff already in. So that's me thinking about my life, like, okay, what do I do from here? So that's where I am at the moment. When you touch the hair at this point, it is nice and soft. You're so wowed at the level of softness. Just work your way in, penetrate with your hands. If they let you comb it, good. If not, just keep using your hands. Ideally at this point, the next phase is to cover up with a plastic cap. So if they let you put it on, my own daughter would not let you put a plastic cap on her. I have given up. So ideally you then leave it for 30 to 45 minutes depending on their compliance, but 45 minutes is okay, and I wouldn't do any hurt. So I mean, they're natural hair products, so you can leave it as long as they allow you. So but my little girl, because she won't let me cover it up, I normally leave it for about an hour, because I mean, it's not getting as much heat as it should. Like I said, you don't have to break a bank if you don't have a plastic bag because it's broke or whatever reason. Just you can put a cling film on, you can put a foil on, you can put any kind of product that will just let it heat up. The whole idea is for the product to penetrate, let it heat up and enter the scalp for treatment, and that's all it is that needs to be told. So that's us done with our hair day, and normally you just wash it out with, so if you had washed your hair earlier, you can just rinse it off lightly. You don't have to add any other product. It's okay to have a bit of the air mask inside of the hair, because some people leave it as a leave-in conditioner anyway. But if you, like in our own case where we hadn't washed our hair in the first place, we then washed with conditioner and shampoo and conditioner, and that's us done. That's hair day done for us. That's my girl happy there. So for the threading, I normally thread her hair just to make it long and extended or stretched out. So the benefit of egg and honey hair mask cannot be overemphasized. Like I said, you can use any product that you like. You can combine them in any way you like. Portioning them is entirely up to you. It helps with strength of your hair. It prevents shedding of the hair. It prevents hair loss of and also you can feel that moisture, and also it helps with hair growth as well. So do what you like, do your own thing. You can do this twice a week, once a week, 3 times a week, but I suppose 3 times should be the maximum. So and then of course you've got your regular shampooing and conditioning every other day or weekly as you do your own thing. Do not be fixated. Like I said, what rocks my boat may not rock yours. So see what your girl likes, see what your routine is like, and then go with the flow. Thank you so much for watching this one. I really hope you picked a thing or two. Till we catch up again, are you subscribed to my channel? Thank you so much. Are you not? Please subscribe to my channel. Like this video, it helps with my YouTube algorithm, and we will see again in my next one. Please share this video, show my girl some love. Thank you so much. Bye.